Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the system and launching Edge. Do this now. Close large downloads and save open documents because updates can prompt restarts. Once Edge is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right to access settings. This is where updates live. Make sure to sign in if you want your profile synced. That keeps favorites and passwords intact. You're starting the process immediately to avoid delays. This reduces interruption and ensures the browser can install updates cleanly. Once done opening settings, navigate to About Microsoft Edge. The browser will check for updates automatically. You should let Edge download any available update. Do not force quit or log off mid-download because corruption can occur. While downloading, monitor the progress and check release notes if visible to learn what changed. After download, click Restart to finish installation. This applies the update and restarts tabs from your last session. Make sure to verify the new version number in About when the browser restarts. You're at the final steps. Confirm the version in About and test key sites and extensions to ensure everything works. If the update fails, try clicking Relaunch or closing Edge and reopening it. Make sure to run as administrator if permission errors appear. If problems persist, go to Windows Settings Apps to repair Edge without losing data or clear cache and retry. As a last resort, reinstall Edge after backing up your profile. This fixes persistent corruption while preserving your important data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.